Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome back to the Daily RV Life channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: RV living with dogs. We know that many of you are avid travelers and pet lovers, and we want to ensure that your furry friends can join you on your adventurous journeys without any hassle. When it comes to RV living with dogs, preparation is key. Before hitting the road, it's important to consider a few essential factors to make the experience safe and comfortable for both you and your canine companion. Let's dive into our top tips. First and foremost, ensure your RV is pet-friendly. Create a designated space for your dog inside the vehicle, where they can relax and feel secure. Install safety measures such as pet barriers to prevent them from wandering into restricted areas while the RV is in motion. Additionally, remember to pack all the necessary supplies for your furry friend. This includes food, water, bowls, leash, harness, waste disposal bags, grooming tools, and any medications your dog may require. It's also wise to carry a recent photograph of your dog in case they accidentally get separated from you during your travels. Routine is crucial for dogs, so try to maintain their regular feeding, exercise, and potty schedules. Always keep a close eye on them while outside the RV, as unfamiliar surroundings can lead to potential hazards. Ensure your dog is leashed and under your control at all times, especially during hikes or outdoor adventures. In terms of RV park etiquette, be mindful of others. Keep your dog on a leash while strolling through the campgrounds, and always clean up after them. Many RV parks have designated pet areas, so take advantage of those facilities to allow your furry friend some off-leash time to play and socialize with other dogs. Lastly, remember to check local rules and regulations regarding dogs in the areas you plan to visit. Some national parks and hiking trails may have restrictions or specific guidelines for pets. Always prioritize the safety and well-being of not only your dog but also the wildlife and environment around you. That concludes our guide to RV living with dogs. We hope you found these tips useful and informative. Remember, with proper planning and consideration, RVing with your four-legged friend can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Until next time, happy travels from the Daily RV Life channel.